Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, which will be indicated by a vibration, so even after the screen turns off, just give it like several more seconds. So once it turns off, you want to hold the power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. Yep, and there was the vibration, so now I'm gonna hold two keys. Okay, so once you see the boot mode, for some reason it doesn't want to keep in focus. Let me quickly wipe the screen, maybe that will help. So, using volume keys, or precisely volume up only, you want to scroll down, as you can see, to cycle through this, and you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down, confirm it. Give it a second, and it will show up with Android logo with no command, like this one. And from here, hold power key and press volume up once, if I can actually do that. There we go. And this will take you to the recovery mode. So from here, we can use both of the volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And you want to select wipe cache partition, obviously, then confirm it with power key. And there we go, we're completely finished with the process, so all we need to do now is reboot the device. So press power key once more, as you can see, because reboot system now is selected, so power key, and this will take us back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.